Hey guys, here we go, running the mini for the Flames tickets. We have 10 spots in this. Top 2 on the final randomization will win 2 spots each in the main. This will also close the main, so we'll draw that live tomorrow on Facebook. So here we go. Scroll down here. Going live. Alright, here we go, scrolling up, grabbing the list. We got Pam on the top and Troy on the bottom. Transferring that in. Dice roll is 8. 8 is the dice roll. Dice roll is 8. Alright. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Final time. And your winners are Kimberly Ray, Dixon, and Troy. Congratulations, you two. You guys each get 2 spots in the random. Kim, if you want to pick yours first, and then Troy will get the last 2. So congratulations. Copy this. Whoops. Copy. Done. Congrats. Winners. And we'll post the video after. Awesome. Thanks, everybody.